Model, 54-plate Volkswagen Transporter T5 1.9 TDI starts runs needs engine repair no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 177097. MOT, the 10th of February 2026. Engine, 1896 cc 1.9 TDI 85 PS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a misfire. When running engine is shaking R and has back pressure, we suspect it is down on compression on a cylinder grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, wind-up windows. Euro status, Euro. HPI, clear.